The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Anderson County and east central Kentucky, southwestern Franklin County and east central Kentucky, southeastern Shelby County and north central Kentucky, west central Woodford County and east central Kentucky until 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Shelbyville and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceburg, Harrisonville, Griefenberg, Avenstok, Bridgeport, Evergreen, Alton, Farmdale, Nineveh, Millville, Stringtown, Clifton, McBrayer, Tyrone, MCKES Crossroads and Milner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.